The 2024 Toyota Land Hopper Mini is a smaller and more affordable version of Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser series. This mini SUV is designed to be ideal for urban use while still being capable of smoothly navigating challenging terrains. Exterior design: the Land Hopper Mini presents the iconic design of the Land Cruiser in a more compact package. The front grille, headlights, and hood maintain the same design as its larger counterpart. In the side profile, the sloping roofline and wide fenders give the Land Hopper Mini a sportier appearance. The rear features taillights and a tailgate identical to those of the Land Cruiser. Interior design: the interior of the Land Hopper Mini is spacious and comfortable, resembling that of the Land Cruiser. There is ample space for passengers and cargo, with supportive and well-cushioned seats using high-quality materials. The dashboard is well organized, featuring a user-friendly infotainment system with a 10-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system includes various features such as navigation, music, and phone calls. The Land Hopper Mini comes equipped with standard safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Off-road capabilities: as a capable off-roader, the Land Hopper Mini boasts a high ground clearance, four-wheel drive, and various off-road assistance systems. Handling challenging terrains like rocks, mud, and sand is easy for the Land Hopper Mini, making it a suitable choice for towing trailers or boats. Overall assessment: the 2024 Toyota Land Hopper Mini is an excellent option for off-road enthusiasts. Its small size, affordability, and capability make it a compelling choice. Pros and cons of the Land Hopper Mini: pros, small size and affordable price, capable off-road performance, spacious and comfortable interior, high-quality materials. Advanced infotainment system, various safety features. Cons: engine could be more powerful. Fuel economy could be better. In summary, the 2024 Toyota Land Hopper Mini is a great SUV for off-road enthusiasts seeking a small, affordable, and capable vehicle. Today we are examining the 2024 Toyota Land Hopper Mini with you. This mini SUV is a smaller and more affordable version of Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser series. The Land Hopper Mini presents the iconic design of the Land Cruiser in a more compact package. The front grille, headlights, and hood maintain the same style as its larger sibling. On the side profile, the sloping roofline and wide fenders give the Land Hopper Mini a sportier appearance. At the rear, the taillights and tailgate resemble those of the Land Cruiser. Inheriting the robustness and reliability features of the Land Cruiser,